You have a very strong support system. Can you say thank you?
First and foremost, I would like to thank my mom and my sisters and my brother who are actually here with me right now. My dad isn't here. But thank you so much for my family. Of course, my friends and family at Pasawa ko kung ito. Tagumpayin natin lahat ito. Hindi pa ako panalo pero panalo na ako sa suporta ninyo. Kasi naman ng mga magmamahal kay Mela Ambition, you will always be a kapanalo.
And Mela is on fire!
Exactly, and I have a very good friend of mine, of course, who is a native from Marikina, Jeffrey Bayon, better known as Mother Packer. Say hi to Mother Packer, she's very well known in the France pageantry.
You know what is so interesting that she's also friends with my mom and my sister. I just met them backstage and it's such a privilege to actually get to know someone who knows of my family.
Oh, see, that's from Marikina. A round of applause, Marikina!
We will proceed with the exciting portion of asking our candidate.
Correct.
Sure.
Thank you very much to my bestie, Thea Tolentino, for being here. You mean a lot to me. Thank you so much.
Anyway, Tito Arnel, let us clarify first to the handler, to the supporter. This is back to zero, if I'm not mistaken, and the criteria is 100% intelligence, question and answer portion. Oh, shoot, girl.
Aside mention, hindi na ako kinakabahan sa kanila. Kahit anong tanong kami patungo sa kanila, at tayo pa nga ang natututo eh. Diba? In fact, listening to the ladies tonight, some of them can even rival the senatorial candidates. Diba?
I'm so proud of them. This is my first time. I've been joining beauty pageant even up to this point of time. First time ko tumangin itong batang to, and I was so surprised.
I think we have a question already. So what we will do is instruct our lady to look back.
Babasahin namin ito ang magbabasa.
Pero sa'yo na lang. Ayan. Ready?
This is my very first pageant. And I present to you myself not because I'm beautiful, but because I believe I can be a good representative to my community, the transgender sisters. I am here because I transitioned late in life. And because of that, I'm standing here as confident I am to tell the world that not only I look beautiful on the outside, but I am beautiful on the inside because I have made myself free, I have made myself truthful, I have made myself empowered. And because of that, I deserve to win this pageant, not because of my looks, but because of my maturity as a person, because of my intelligence as an individual, and above all, because of the love that inspired me to be who I am today. If that's not enough, then I'll not join any pageant anymore. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Just be like me, Charot. Okay. How was it there? Did you hear the question? Okay, since you didn't
Look at our sheet. That is your question. Impress our judges. You ready?
Ladies and gentlemen, panel judges, this is one of the most crucial part of the competition. Therefore, allow us to answer this particular question direct to the point, without using any necessariness or else memorize answers to become an answers program. We cannot deny the fact that joining such a beautiful pageant like this, judges will only judge by physical appearance because that is what we see. But always remember, the true pageant, the true contestant, the true candidate is in her house. Simply by by doing a good thing to the other people, doing a good thing to your family. Because always remember, ang tunay na reyna ay may corona para sa pamilya. We should always remember this, guys. Beauty is one person can acquire or consume. It's something one person should have to be. And when you're actually sustained as for what is fundamentally beautiful, it's our compassion to ourselves to be a better person. Thank you.
And our contestants never fail to impress everyone with their brilliant answers. So let's go on. What do you think, Manman?
Just want to smile. It's very fun. No, most of them are very close to me, of course. Yes, anything? Coffee? Coffee? Cigarette?
Okay. So the one there's a name indicated there because the final question was carefully picked from an netizen who gave the question. Hence, we have the name indicated on top.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Our next semi-finalist, of course.
Next to amaze us is Aya Garcia. Hello, Aya. Okay. I always have this wholesome look, entering the stage with a smile, almost
The face is wholesome, but the lower part is so sexy.
okay.
Sweet and amiable.
Let's get on with it.
We will make a question, of course, the allocated board, and then you don't have to answer that.
Okay, thank you very much for that very mind-boggling question. To tell you frankly, ladies and gentlemen, this particular pageant simply defines a person, not only because of his gender preference, but also what he's feeling inside his heart, with all sincerity and with all humility. This pageant serves as a platform not only for us, transgender, but also part of the LGBTQ community, to become a well-rounded, identified, and respected individual. For that someday, somehow, people who are watching us right now will certainly open their minds that we, LGBTQ community, and we transgender are all equal in the pair of God. Therefore, I believe, ladies and gentlemen, it is high time for us to open our minds, our souls, and our hearts that you should accept us for what we have become in this world. Rather, always bear in mind that every one of us has his own capability to do good things, not only for the benefit of your own self, but for the benefit of the society. Because at the end of the day, you will never become worthy for who you are or for what you have, but you will always become worthy for others that become because of you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Aya. Certainly has solicited more admiration from her fans. I wish I would speak of the question, no?